Hey guys, so this is B-Bomb, and I am sitting here with Joshua from the Campfire Company, and he's going to tell us about this thing right here, and I think it's pretty amazing. But I'm going to go ahead and let him get started, and we'll ask him a few questions.
Yeah, so. Absolutely. Thanks for having me. So this campfire can that we're setting around right here is our 9-inch traveler model.
Okay.
This is our 304 stainless steel model. It has fold-out legs on the bottom of it. It is a 6-inch burner up to 85,000 BTU. One good thing about our campfire can here is that no matter if you burn it 3 or 4 hours, you can still touch the side of it. So the side of it is still cool right here, up to where you stick the lighter. Right. So where it's the designated hole that we light our can. So the bottom of it stays real cool. Yeah. So
you guys see how scared I was to touch it.
Yeah.
But it wasn't that hot.
A lot of people like that. They're always asking me if I got calloused hands or something like that.
Oh, but, I saw you with the gloves. So I was like, he's lying to me. Yeah. I'll barely touch it.
But that staying cool like that gives us the ability to burn it, say, like on a picnic table.
Right.
A back porch.
Right.
Even a tailgate of a truck. So our fire pit, that gives us and everybody the versatility to take it, say, like use it at their house and take it camping. Right. Even with the size and compacting, you're able to burn it on so many different surfaces.
Oh, really cool.
But it has an adjustable flame. I'll go ahead and tell you real fast and show everybody. It has an adjustable flame.
Scare me.
Yeah, so the adjustable flame will turn way down. So we have cooking accessories that grates that'll go on top of it, so you can use a frying pan and cook on. And then it adjusts up to a 32-inch flame.
All right, and that's scary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's not gonna last real long at that. Well, at least I don't think it would.
Yeah. So off of a 5-pound propane tank. At about a 10 to 12-inch flame, it'll burn for about 4.5 hours.
Okay, really good.
That. Yep. So, and up to it provides enough heat for 4 to 6 people to sit around.
All right. So people are gonna have a lot of questions.
Absolutely.
So, what's this thing made out of?
It's 304 stainless.
Okay.
Stainless steel.
So you don't have any kind of problems with heat. It's not gonna warp. It's not gonna have any kind of issues. No. You might get a little patina around the edge. But
and that patina looks sweet. I like that. I like that.
That's probably what makes them look good, right?
Yep. So this can right here, this that we're setting around right here is one of our demo cans, and it's probably got, if we'd have to estimate, we say around 1,000 hours burn time on it. Okay. We've never had the first issue with it, not with the burner, any of the fittings, or the can itself.
Yeah, and you guys don't know just how cold this Southeast Overland camping event it got last night, and it's still cold right now. I'm in my puffy because I'm freezing. This feels nice, but probably a reasonable, probably about reasonable for what people would do, right?
Yeah, about a 10-inch flame that puts out enough heat that you can still feel the heat at a 10-inch right here.
It doesn't look scary yet.
No,
right?
Absolutely
it feels nice. But like this, it's gonna last like. This little well, that's a bigger can than we usually have.
This is a 20-pound cylinder.
Yeah, but with the little 5-pound, that's going to be 3-4 hours?
Oh, about 4.5 hours.
4.5 hours.
This 20-pound, we tote these around for, because we're in events like this, they just last longer.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of running out and switching tanks all the time. So we always, but our biggest, most popular option, people run them off the 5-pound tanks, especially at like the events right now where everybody's camping in Jeeps, vans, small. It's very compact. The tank's compact.
Yeah, this would be hard to carry in the Jeep, but I carry a couple of the smaller ones.
Yeah, absolutely. So it'll run off of a 5-pound to a 30-pound cylinder.
So let's get back to that. So you everybody's usually using the little 5-pound. Mm-hmm. Now I think you were telling me you could actually pack it in this, so you don't. It doesn't take up any more space then.
Right. So we have an option on our website that we design, and it's a book bag. So that book bag will hold our 5-pound propane tank and our 9-inch campfire can.
Oh, that's cool.
And it nests inside the tank nest inside the can here, so it fits inside that book bag. So you got a book bag,
right?
And we have a lot of people that ride it with their bicycles. It's designed to hook to a horse saddle. You can carry it to the beach, and and it just gives you more options. And you got that one fire pit right in a compact bag. Okay. So you got a fire pit to go.
Oh, really nice. So it travels good. It's made out of great material. Obviously, you get the flame high, you get the flame low, and a lot of these folks now. We're out here on the East Coast, and we don't have a lot of fire bans.
Right.
But these guys that are out on the West Coast, they they can't build a campfire.
Right.
So this was up to a stage 2.
We're up to a stage 2 burn ban in national forest.
Okay.
Yes.
So even with a burn ban, you still got this.
You still got a fire.
All
Yes.
right. Really cool. Really cool. And you said accessories. Now I'm a gear guy. I love all kinds of
accessories.
Of little throw it on here and cook on it. What all you have for that?
So we have a grill rack that goes on there, and we actually sell a skillet on our website with the grill rack. But if you have your own skillet, your own cast iron, like say a large frying pan or something like that, you can use it. Yeah. We have a heat deflector, so if we're sitting around it right now, we can put that heat deflector on there and disperse the heat out towards our legs more. You just get more of the heat transfer toward you instead of some of it going
really cool.
going up in the air. So.
Yeah, and you sell your own canisters and all the different ways of carrying everything around.
We do.
Great.
It's all on our website. You can visit our website at it's www.ourcampfirecompany.com, and you can go through there and see all our accessories. We have merchandise, merch, T-shirts, hats, all the gear and stuff. On our website. Yeah.
And for all this stuff that they sell, the real reason I'm here. Josh here was, or Joshua. You go by Josh or Joshua?
Either one. I get called both of them, so it's all
maybe
good.
I'll edit that out, or I'll let you guys see how awkward I really am.
It's all good.
But he's just a cool guy, and I've been by his booth a couple of times. He's been really cool, and that's a big thing for me with all these products is the people who are selling the products. They're real people, and you enjoy being around them.
Yeah.
So you guys come out here, check out the Campfire Company. Buy some of the gear or just sit around the campfire.
Just come hang out with us. Yeah.
They're good guys.
Yeah,
check them out. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.
Gotta keep you hitting some of this stuff.
Yeah.